Deezer.
What's up, TNS family? We're back with another vlog. Good morning. Sissy, are you ready?
Right now he's been doing this morning, bro. I don't know if it's a real smile or a fake smile, but anyways, we are here still in Bali and we're doing water sports right now. We are ready to get it done. Son's ready, he's got his outfit on, looking really good. He's just got to put his hat on. Pretty sunny out here, but looking out at it, I'm excited, very excited. So let's go.
10 seconds later.
Isham?
And eat.
Nom 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 nom.
That's our turn done. Oh, good. So next up, Jason's gonna come on, and I can't wait to see his reaction, bro.
Alright guys, I'm on my own. I had to come on by myself. Like I said, big boys, we on that shit, bro. Hey, this is gangster. I don't know if I'm high, but I am high. Like we said, we're living our best life. We're living that. What's doing left? We're on the banana boat right now. It's me, Jay, and Chris, and Sera and Tuxx is on that later. Because there's just 3 of us right now.
Are going to do the donut work. Hey, food! Yeah! Shane, they did it! Thank you! Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel! Say welcome to Bali! Welcome to Thailand! Okay guys, we're going on the donut boat. I've got Chris and Jay in the front and then me at the back. Let's go!
4 moments later.
Okay guys, I fell off. I couldn't hold on.
So we just swapped boats and we're on the snorkeling boat. Snorkeling boat. So tour's ready. Unfortunately, we can't take tour in the water. It's been a bit of a long day. So we just decided, we were going to, but we just decided we'll just leave them up here. So we're excited.
Oh, the water is very nice and warm.
Okay fam, so I don't know if you can hear because the GoPro has been in the water. We just got here to Turtle Island after snorkeling. Balinese girlfriend.
Still welcome. Nice to meet you. I'm your tour guide. Because before you click a picture, I will give you information. Yeah?
Okay.
So this we call green turtle. You've been here before. You know why people call green turtle?
Why?
Because inside shell they have a green liquid.
Oh.
Not the color, but inside shell they have a green liquid. Then people call green
turtle.
nafa attack ayumtheyilo owawinga amasana saboyela bo ebalele oile pele nome awulele efainata nafa awinga olelo lotho ole alomfa utesaba nababeya maoeyo obiwakwanga ooseka emoe mama osalava le mama olam neighbor ayi
We're living that king life, eating, getting a massage, Jay getting a massage, me and Chris. Tua's so tired, he's ready to go home and sleep. 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 Yeah, G.
Look at this happening. It's so awkward in it.
Abby, hello.
Bro, look here, like not even scared though. Yeah, bro, but I don't like how you're sitting like that. You look like you're standing, bro. And just being out here on the water is so nice, bro. Like relaxing, even though right now I'm like going back and forth. But it's something about the ocean, man. Bring on the next ride, man! Jet ski guides.